Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
Download Google Authenticator from Google Play or the App Store on your phone. Open the app and tap Begin to start adding your first account. Allow camera access to scan QR codes or choose manual code entry. If you prefer manual entry, copy the account name and the 16-character secret key from the website. Enter the secret key exactly and select time based as the code type. The app will create a new entry that generates a 6-digit code every 30 seconds. On your account security page, enable two-step verification and choose Authenticator app. The website will display a QR code and a 16-character secret key for manual entry. Scan the QR code or paste the 16-character key into the app to link accounts. The app generates a 6-digit code that refreshes every 30 seconds. Enter the 6-digit code shown in the app to confirm and finalize setup on the website. You will now use the app code alongside your password for secure sign-ins. Save the website backup codes or write down your 16-character secret key in a safe place. Store backup codes offline, for example on paper in a locked drawer. Use the Authenticator app transfer accounts feature to move codes between phones before you discard the old device. To transfer, open transfer accounts, select Export on the old phone and Import on the new phone. If you lose your phone, use backup codes or the secret key to restore access on a replacement device quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.